name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular video shows you how to work the single decrease setup, which is worked in the row or round prior to where you want to work either a right-leaning or a left-leaning single decrease with setup. Here's how it's done. Starting with my knit coloured yarn at the back of the work and my pearl coloured yarn at the front, I'm going to insert the tip of my right needle into the first stitch with its yarn over on the left needle and the third stitch with its yarn over on the left needle, missing out the second stitch with its yarn over completely. Then I slide the tip of my left needle out of all three of those stitches with their yarn overs, and the second stitch with its yarn over pops free at the back of the work. Before it has a chance to go anywhere, slide the left needle straight back into it, securing everything nice and steadily. Then I've got my two knit stitches on the front needle and my two purl stitches on the back needle, all with their yarn overs. The next thing to do is to slip those two knit stitches, purlwise this time, back from the right needle to the left. Now, using my knit coloured yarn, I knit into the first stitch with its yarn over, and then without doing anything else, I knit straight away into the second stitch with its yarn over. So now I've got two new knit stitches without any yarn overs on the right needle, and I work my yarn over maneuver now, taking the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle and bringing it to the front of the work again, coming between the two needles, and that's given one shared yarn over to both of those knit stitches. Then I bring my knit coloured yarn to the front, also coming between the two needles. Now I'm going to purl into the first of the purl stitches with its yarn over, and then the second of the purl stitches also with its yarn over. So that's two purls in a row. And then taking the knit coloured yarn to the back of the work, that ends the procedure and gives one shared knit coloured yarn over to the two purl stitches. So now I've got two adjacent knit stitches and two adjacent purl stitches, each pair sitting under its own shared yarn over. And when we come back to that on the next round, we can then decrease those two stitches into one half of the decrease and those two into the other half. And that is the single decrease setup in double knitted brioche. Zip!